how to delete Meetme account. So if you want to delete Meetme account, then first you need to open up your Meetme application. And once you've opened, now make sure to log into your account. And once you've opened your Meetme, now make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, now you can go to your profile, which is on the upper right. And now scroll down, and here you will have settings option on the last. Tap on settings. And under your settings, here you will have delete account option. So you can simply tap on that delete account. And here, if you want to delete your account, then simply tap on yes. And here you need to enter your email and your password. So simply enter your email and then enter your password. And you can simply tap on delete account. And that's it. That's how you delete your Meetme account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.